Laughed and laughed until their
Excited.
ached.
When the kitten stopped writing and looked around, they saw that the frog had finished and the frog with silver circles.
Oh, hang on, let's read that again. On the pond, ripples spread out.
On the pond, with good circles. Are we getting back to my mother and others? Said the Shy Little Kitten, but I don't know where to find him. I will show, said the strange voice. And out of the bushes bounded the shaggy black puppy. Oh, thank you, said the Shy Little Kitten.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, said the Shy.
No, goodbye, Mole.
Goodbye, Mo.
So, off they went together.
And then after they went together, the Shy Kitten and the shaggy black puppy dog,
The little kitten
of course, kept the Shy.
kept her.
Shy on the ground. But the shaggy black puppy started about woof woof.
That's her.
I went to the tree. He was full of mischief. Kiki says the squirrel chatted back, and he dropped the hickory nut right of the puppy's nose. She was very brave. Well, but Mr. Papa, he asked his shaggy.
And off they went towards the farm.
He asked his shaggy black puppy dog.
Soon they came, bounding. Soon they came bounding out of the woods, and there before them stretched the farmyard. Here we are.
Says this shaggy black puppy.
So down the
Here a bridge across the brook and straight in the farmyard.
in the middle of the farmyard.
With the market and new baby kittens. And in the flesh, the mother was a shy kitten, was looking all warm with time.
Hang on. Let's start a bit. In a flash, the mother cat was beside her shy kitten, licking her all over with a warm
time.
Yes. Where?
I think she cried. We already started the picnic.
The picnic was for all.
The farmyard animals.
There were
Seeds for the chickens and roebucks for ducks. And cabbage and carrots for the rabbits. There was the flies for the frog and there's a chop of flesh for the pig.
yum, yum, yum.
How good it was. After they finished eating, everyone just getting feel comfortable
And drowsy.
when suddenly the fox jumped straight into the air, eyes always popping out of his nose.
Help, run!
Help! Run, he cried. Made for the brook, and the frog made for the brook.
Everyone.
Scrambled after him and tumbled to the water.
And what did the shy little kitten say?
A bee
No, what is it? Asked the shy little kitten.
A bee and a frog, a bee.
And they all saw that one side of his mouth,
Was puffed up like the a blue.
a green balloon.
Plop.
Everybody.
Laughed. They couldn't help it. And when the frog laughed, they all looked funny as they climbed out of the brook. Miss Christie.
The shy little kitten stood off.
One side he she felt so good that he can pick up some salt right there in the warm window grass. This is the best I ever see the Shy Little Kitten.
We love you, Oscar. You're amazing.
No.
I want to go tiger. I want to put a knife and